On Sunday, May 23, 2021, at approximately 10:40 a.m., ACCPD received multiple 911 calls concerning a man with a gun at Walker Park.
Clarke County 911.
I need you guys to hurry up. There's a guy walking around at the splash pad on Trail Creek with a weapon yelling at kids and people here. Can you guys please hurry up?
Okay, what's he wearing?
I know he's wearing like a camouflage jacket. He's hiding the gun.
Hold on, I can't understand you. You gotta calm down. I can't understand.
He's hiding the gun between the camouflage jacket he's wearing. And he's wearing a black shirt, long sleeve, and black pants. And there's a bunch of children and pregnant women here. You guys need to hurry up. And he's yelling at people. Please hurry up.
All right, where in the park is he at right now?
He's inside the splash pad area with all the kids playing, where the water is sprinkling.
Inside the splash pad area?
Yes. There's a bunch of children here.
Athens-Clarke County 911.
Hey, I'm at Trail Creek Park right now at the splash pad. There's a man out here who's yelling obscenities at the ladies that are selling tickets to the splash pad. Sounds like he's threatening them.
Athens-Clarke County 911.
Yeah, somebody over at Trail Creek splash pad. Somebody has a gun.
Okay,
Please come quickly.
Okay, they're already on the way, ma'am. Can you give me a description of him?
It's a black male and he has like a long rifle. Please hurry up.
Is it a small gun, a big gun?
It's a big gun. It's a big gun. Please get here.
Like a rifle?
Yes.
Where is he right now in the park?
Okay. What? We're at the splash pad. Please come. I don't want to see you on the phone.
Athens-Clarke County 911.
Okay, I called him. Hey, the man I called about, I'm sorry, I'm at Trail Creek Park. I called about a man who was cursing everybody and
Right.
acting violent. He's walking towards the parking lot right now. He's wearing black clothing. He's got a gun.
Yeah, I'm clear. Walking toward the parking lot?
He's walking toward the parking lot right now. He's up by the field. He's probably next to the goalpost at this point. He's got something behind his ear, maybe a cigarette, maybe a pencil. I'm not quite sure.
Okay. What is he doing right now, other than walking?
He's just walking. He's got his gun by his side. It looks like I can't tell. It may be a semi-automatic rifle. I'm not sure, but it's pointed down at the ground. I saw him pointed at a lady, though, for a moment that he was speaking with. It looks like he's just ordered some people out of their vehicle.
Okay.
He's getting in their vehicle now.
What kind of car is it?
It's a black Toyota, I think.
The car SUV truck?
Yeah, he's driving away in their vehicle now. I got him. I'm on the phone with the police right now. He's driving out of the parking lot now. He's going down the hill. What kind of vehicle is it, sir? 2003 Honda Pilot. Black.
2003?
2003 Honda Pilot. It's a black vehicle.
Yeah.
He's gone out of my sight now. He's going down the hill.
SUV.
Stop, police!
At this point and during the previous day, ACCPD had received calls reporting a man armed with a rifle and pointing it at citizens. Multiple shots had been fired into an occupied vehicle. The individual had pointed the weapon at innocent bystanders while exiting the splash pad. Seconds earlier, the individual had carjacked people at gunpoint.
Stop the car now! Get out of the car! Let me see your hands now! Get on the ground! Put it down now! Put it down! Put it down! He's taking a defensive position. Put it down! Let me see your hands! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! They have no cover, be aware. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Please drop it! We will get the state police, man. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Do not let him leave. Do not let him leave.
Okay, we can help you, but put the gun down first.
He's just blocking himself right now.
Officers gave multiple commands for the subject to put his weapon down. Despite these requests, the subject did not comply. At one point, shots were fired, striking the subject. Warning, the following content is graphic.
Put it down. Put it down, sir. Please put it down. Hey, man, we can work on this. Put it down. Movement. I was clear he's in the driver's seat. Is he on east?
Yeah.
What did he say? Try again on east.
One of the county guys and send about 5 bullets to go and kill him. We got the EMS out here right now verifying he's 27 and we'll get out of here. All right.
It's been at least 20 minutes since the shots were fired.
No pulse, completely out.